Welcome to Craft Chocolate TV. This episode, we want to talk about the holidays and how we're all in craft chocolate. It is really important to take advantage of this in order to succeed as a company because this is the busiest part of our entire year. December is so heavy on retail, but it's not just December. It's actually October, November, and December because there's a lot of prep work. So we're going to talk a little bit about how to succeed during the holidays. One of the first things is to create some type of seasonal product, whether that be peppermint bark or peppermint bars, bonbons, chocolate spreads. These are things that we've been slowly improving at in order to see our sales increase and to have something special to offer to customers. Because if you just have your same lineup, you'll still sell it better than normal, but you will see a market increase in having some type of seasonal gift item. Now, you're also going to want to do a lot of prep work. You're going to want to make sure that you prepare a lot of gift boxes, a lot of bundles, and just a lot of product to make sure, starting as early as August and September, so that when the time rolls around in December or even November and you're seeing lots of wholesale and maybe corporate gift items, you can take advantage of the times in the season that you are slower. And usually summer for us is slower. So really good opportunity to build inventory that you know you're going to get rid of. And the other part about that is chocolate has an extremely long shelf life. 2 years for dark chocolate, 1.5 years for milk chocolate, and then things like nibs, chocolate tea, brewing chocolate. All of these items you can just prepare and put in a box and set aside for 4 months later when you're going to need something to fill shelves faster than you can produce it. Use your time wisely throughout the whole year. Online. To sell better online requires not too much work, but a lot of thinking and preparing ahead. And so the same seasonal items that you'd be trying to offer your customers at retail, you can also offer online. And so what we found is if you're doing 2 or 3 emails per week to your list, hopefully you have an email list to people who have come into your shop, enjoyed their experience, left their email. That's a really wonderful way that you can continue to market to them, to people who have had a face-to-face interaction with you that love your product. If you send 2 or 3 emails out, you will see also a big uptick in your sales. Everyone needs a gift. And so don't feel like you're spamming them. This took me a little while to get over. I always felt like I was spamming people if I was sending 2 or 3 emails. People are sending an email a day. And at this point in the season, it doesn't bother customers as much. And if they do like your product, they're going to receive an email and be like, oh yeah, that's right. I don't actually want their peppermint bar, but I really want their Flavors of Hawaii gift set. So even though they might not buy what you advertised or tried to promote, they still might buy products. And that helps your bottom line at the end of the day. And you can ship them what they ordered. We did discuss corporate gifting a little bit. This is something that we see grow a little bit every year. A lot of gifting is done by companies to other companies that they've worked with. And so you might get an order for 50 boxes or 150 boxes or 450 boxes. Everything from something that might cost $15 to $20 to something that could cost $175. And so this is a really good opportunity for chocolate makers to take advantage of this. Now, I'm going to pause for a moment and talk about our sponsor for this episode, which is Cocoa MasterClass. And this is something that I got the opportunity to attend. This is a couple months ago now, and just absolutely loved it. The host did an amazing job. We learned so much about parts of the cocoa industry that I'd never understood very well on a larger scale as well as a smaller scale. I just strongly recommend the opportunity to attend a Cocoa Masterclass. They've got different programs. They're doing them all over the world. You can get a discount If you type in Learn Cocoa, you'll get 5% off. So check it out. One of the last things to be aware of during the season, the holiday season, is staffing. Make sure you overstaff during this period, November, December primarily, because people will get sick, people will quit, and if you have extra staff on hand, you're able to do more sales. So try and have extra staff. Now, these are all things that I'm saying confidently to do. We're never able to do them 100% well. It's just not how it goes. So you just do your best. So these are the things that I would recommend for the holiday season. I hope we're able to get this out to you right away so you can at least take some value from this. And that's another episode of Craft Chocolate TV. Cheers. Good luck with the holidays. See you next time.